Hello everyone, welcome back. It's a hot summer day in Florida where we decided to go to the beach. As always, we went to our most favorite beach, Sister Key in Sarasota. This weekend we have my boyfriend, brother, and sister coming to visit. And they have never been to Sarasota before, so we took them here to spend a fun day at the beach. The heat in summer days in Florida is extremely miserable and there's no fun at all. But instead, the water is crystal clear and it's very warm, so we spend most of our time in the water, swimming around. We spent like 4 to 5 hours at the beach and went home around 2ish, 3 p.m. After showering and getting ready, we headed out for an early dinner. We stopped by a Mexican restaurant where one of our friends working here. The food here is delicious. It is so far my go-to place whenever I crave for taco.
Okay.
Sunday is another fun day. We head into Wikiwachi Spring and we decided to do kayaking because the water park is closed due to high volume of visitors. I have been to the spring a lot of time before, but on my first time here, I had such a bad experience because I was too nervous and too worried that we would run into an alligator, so I didn't really enjoy the view in the water. But now I feel it's very relaxing, it's very fun whenever I go to the spring, especially when you find a shallow area. You can just park your kayak and jump into the water and it feels amazing. Hello to a new week. I wasn't in the mood to vlog yesterday, so I started fresh on Tuesday. I'm working from home every Tuesday and Thursday, which is super nice. It's month end, so we're very busy. After I got off work, I was too tired to vlogging, so I just cooked dinner, ate, and then called off the night. Good morning, it is Friday. Let's go get ready to work.
$2,800
This apartment truly is located in the heart of West Village. There's no laundry, there are no amenities. It is a pre-war building, and here's what's interesting. Of my time here, I pretty quickly, especially during a lot more money by living here. Those areas that I enjoy walking around. But let's actually do it again, just in case. All right, influencing in the wild.
I skipped walking for a couple days. I feel like I have lost the habit of reaching out the camera to film. In addition, it was a very busy week, and I felt like it wasn't a good idea when I kept filming the same work and home routine. I think you have enough of it, and I don't think anyone wants to keep seeing me typing all day. It will be a long weekend for me since July 4 is on Monday, so I got 3 days off. We're heading to Daytona to visit our friends. This is great. The rain kept following us since we left the house. We are currently at the dog park in DeLand. We just got here. It's a little bit sprinkled, so we just quickly let Pofu walkie dress out his leg, and then we're gonna head to our friend's house, stay there for the night, and then head back to Tampa tomorrow.
There's no.
Oh, I like having.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then for this one, we like the shrimp hibachi.
Hibachi.
Do you want to do the steak hibachi too, or no?
It's up to them. I'm okay. Any sauce?
I can get the yum and the eel sauce, unfortunately. The out of sriracha, it's like a shorter
Yeah,
and the ponzu.
Okay.
But I can get.
Yo, we had this really good curry spot. Curry spot? Yeah. Thai curry. A lot of people. It won't be that many. Down there and Charmander right here. Should we try it? Wait. You want to try the Charmander right here? I got low mining it. My thing on voodoo. Good? The area make it look good. Oh. Who did it? Purple. No. Come here. You heard the word ready? That's fine. Come here. No. Not for you.
Red ball, okay? Red ball.
Wow.
Oh,
you
almost got it.
Well, I think are we supposed to look at each other?
Okay. Okay. Blue ball.
Yay.
Alright, don't tell me.
Now don't tell him.
Huh? Okay, red ball.
He'll be gone a few moments, but when he returned, so where were we? It gets slapped.
Oh, we already watched it.
We don't put up the whole hammock?
No. You want me to?
Who?
Go eat. Luna, go eat. Go. Actually, what's your release? Okay. Luna, okay.
Eat.
Kai, okay.
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 Quickly turning back in to do a quick outro. After having dinner at the sushi restaurant, we decided to hang out at the beach. We have been wanting to try this Mai Tai bar because the name of it reminds us one of the bar we went in Hawaii. Surprisingly, they also have the lava float drink that we love it so much when we had it in Hawaii. So we want to see if this Mai Tai bar in Daytona make it as good as the one in Hawaii. It turned out pretty good. We love it. We definitely going to come back whenever we visit Daytona. We headed home on Sunday afternoon and our friends decided to tag along and stay the night at our house. So we played game, we sang karaoke, we had so much fun. We had dim sum on Monday morning. Around noontime, my boyfriend had to work, so our friend left around that time. I feel like this video is all over the places and I try my best to connect everything together. Hopefully it makes sense. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.